welcome back to Rose and Free Gift Friday. I have 5 new beauty products that I have purchased through the New Beauty Free Gift Friday program, and it's been a while since I've shown you any, so why don't you grab your favorite beverage, in my case Rose, and let me show you what I have. Cheers! Now, it's been a while since I've purchased anything from Free Gift Friday, just because sometimes I already have the products, or I already have, certain of the same types of products, and I love that I can kind of pick and decide which weeks I want to buy. But these all looked like great values, great products, and each of these I only had to pay the $12.95 shipping. So first off, I have the BioEffect EGF serum. This is a favorite of mine. EGF is epidermal growth factor. It is something our body naturally produces, but this aids in skin repair, renewal, collagen, elastin synthesis. This is going to help skin firmness, density, fine lines and wrinkles. And this, one of the reasons that even though I already have this, and in fact I have a good amount of it, is this retails usually for $175, and if I'm able to get it for $12.95, yes, I'm going to get that. So this is what it looks like, and this is great. You want to apply this, the same way you do any serums. So after cleaning, after any kind of toners or essences, once everything dries, and then this on top, moisturizer, SPF after that. So this is the first item. Next we have from Nassif MD, Paul Nassif, who might know from Real Housewives of Beverly Hills back in the day, or from the show Botched. He has his own skincare line, and these are detox pads. So this is going to be a combination of alpha and beta hydroxy acids, which with your alpha hydroxy acids, those are water soluble. They're going to kind of help exfoliate the skin surface. With your beta hydroxy acids, that's going to be fat soluble, and they're actually going to get into your pores. And a very common one for beta hydroxy acid is salicylic acid. So this does have salicylic acid. This also has glycolic acid and lactic acid. So glycolic and lactic are both going to be AHAs. This also has ethyl ascorbic acid, which is a derivative of vitamin C. So that's going to help with brightness. And then it also has bakuchiol. And bakuchiol is a plant-based kind of retinol alternative. So a lot of great anti-aging, exfoliating properties. And there's 60 pads in here. And this retails for $46. So also a good deal. Let's see. And this is a brand I had never heard of, but after doing some research, I thought it would be really interesting to kind of add to my collection. So this is from Lemieux. This is the TGF B Booster. So one of the things I really liked about this brand is they actually use hyaluronic acid as their base for their products instead of water. So it just really helps with hydration. Also, looking at the ingredients list, I have never seen so many hyaluronic acid derivatives, which tells me that there's going to be several forms of hyaluronic acid, and with the different molecule sizes, I'm not going to be as concerned about drawing away moisture from my skin. It's really just going to help with hydration. This also has niacinamide, so brightening, anti-aging. It's going to help with any kind of darkness, because this, the niacinamide, getting ahead of myself, but it is a serum, and one of the, let's see, it's sealed, but one of the other things I saw that was really kind of interesting about it is it's not a clear serum, so it does look kind of milky. And since I'm going to be adding this into my rotation pretty soon, I feel comfortable opening it. But if you can see, it's very kind of milky looking. I don't know. Can you tell? And super hydrating. Look at that. No real smell. I think my hand just smells perfume from other products. Kind of nice. Add 3 to 5 drops onto face and neck. night and day. So that's great. Very excited to try this. And the other thing actually that I thought was really great about this product is it says that it helps boost the efficacy of any products you apply on top. So I really love that, you know, where you're putting that on after maybe you cleanse, you tone, or you do an essence, and then maybe you're putting retinol on top of that, or you're putting vitamin C on top of that, and you know, as long as there's no counteractives in there, you're boosting the efficacy of the products you put on top. I forgot. And this one was $70, or it retails for $70. I didn't pay that. Moving along, this is actually a favorite brand of NewBeauty, so I see this a lot in their boxes. This is Glow Skin Beauty, and this is Beta Clarity Pro 5 Liquid Exfoliant. So this is an exfoliator. It's just a liquid. Okay, you don't rinse off. So it is something that you apply to clean skin, avoid eye area, allow to absorb, do not rinse off, use 2 to 3 times per week. So this is great to add on your exfoliating night if you're skin cycling, because it has 5 different types of exfoliators in the combination of AHAs, BHAs, and PHAs. And PHAs I don't talk about as much because they're not as common, but PHAs are more a gentler version of AHAs. So still exfoliating, but they stay more to the surface of your skin. And it's great for people with sensitive skin. So this has mandelic acid, which is a AHA. This also has salicylic acid, which is a BHA. It has ethyl ascorbic acid, which is a vitamin C derivative. And let's see what else. Azelaic acid, kojic acid. Now kojic acid is going to help with kind of any darkness, any hyperpigmentation. So lots of acids in here. And this is supposed to have, it's at a 10% concentration, so it might be a little harsh, so I wouldn't be mixing it with things, but this is great to add to exfoliating night, and this retails for $60. And last but not least, and I will take another sip in honor of this product. So this is Fig 1. This is a retinol cream, and this is the level 3. Now I was super excited to see this because through Free Gift Friday, I previously had the level 1 cream, which I'm almost out of. And even though the natural step would be maybe to go to level 2, that wasn't offered. So I'm happy to skip to level 3 and consider myself a retinol expert, so long as kind of I'm being smart with the skin cycling and I'm not applying any products that could further irritate my skin. And in fact, with something like this, which is a higher level retinol, I probably will, you know, add the moisturizer or some kind of heavy duty moisturizer or night cream once this fully dries, but on the same night. So some of the things I love about Fig 1, it's a encapsulated retinol, so it's a slow release technology. It's also, this pump is airless and it's refillable, and which that means is because it's airless, it's going to protect from the elements. Because it's refillable, you're going to save money and the environment when you're just purchasing this part and you're keeping this pretty glass part. And I already have this from my level 1, so I guess I'm just collecting them at this point, but that's okay. The other thing I love about Fig 1 is they actually add moisturizing factors to their retinols, so that's going to mean less irritation for your skin. It's not just kind of retinol without anything. This has, I believe, probably some form of sodium hyaluronate or hyaluronic acid in it, and if not, hyaluronic acid, squalene, as well as peptides, ceramides. So lots of anti-aging things besides just the retinol, and then also hydrating factors. And this retails for $62. So always a good value. I've never seen anything be lower than maybe $40 in a Free Gift Friday. That's just my experience. So I've always found things are worth it. I'll have to add everything up and put the value in the description, but I can tell you this is definitely worth it when I'm paying $12.95 for each item, and that's about 60 something dollars, and this alone is $175. I know it's going to be worth it. So comment down below if you are a fan or you subscribe to Free Gift Friday, what you like, what you don't like, if you have any questions about it. I know that it's an invite only program and they don't necessarily give out the option to join. You kind of have to wait and be on a wait list, but sometimes they open it up. So if anyone is interested in joining, let me know down below in the comments, and when they do open it up for people to join, I'll be happy to add you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you had an amazing time, and check out my next video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.